Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talks. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jack. Hope you're all doing great today.
Excited! So guys, today's topic is super useful, especially if you're learning English.
Ooh, what is it? Something practical?
Yes, we're talking about ordering food in a restaurant in English.
Oh, that's actually really helpful. Many people get nervous about this.
Exactly. Going to a restaurant and speaking English can be scary.
True, you don't want to mess up your order or sound silly.
But don't worry, today we'll teach you simple, easy phrases.
By the end of this video, you'll order food like a pro.
This is perfect for beginners. We'll keep it simple and practical.
No complicated words, just real everyday English.
And we'll even do some role play, show you exactly how it works.
Emily will be the customer, and I'll be the waiter.
Giggling. This should be fun. Jack as a waiter.
Hey, I can be a great waiter.
We'll see about that.
But first, if you're new here, welcome to Daily English Talks.
We help you learn English through simple, natural conversations.
So please hit that like button. It helps us so much.
And subscribe to our channel. We post helpful videos every single day.
Don't forget the bell icon. Stay updated with our daily lessons.
Your support means everything to us.
All right, let's start. Emily, have you ever been nervous ordering in English?
Oh my God, yes! Let me tell you about my first time. Oh my God, yes. Let me tell you about my first time ordering in English.
What happened? Did you mess up?
I was so nervous. My hands were shaking.
Oh, where were you?
It was a small cafe. The waiter came and said, "What can I get you?"
Simple question. What did you say?
I completely froze. I just pointed at the menu.
You pointed? No words?
I was scared. I didn't know what to say.
That's actually cute. Did the waiter understand?
Thankfully, yes. He was very patient and kind.
See, most waiters are helpful. They deal with tourists all the time.
True. After that, I practiced at home.
Good idea. Practice makes perfect.
So guys, don't be scared. Everyone starts somewhere.
Exactly. Making mistakes is totally normal.
Now, let's learn the basics. What do you say when you enter?
Yes, first impressions matter.
Okay, so when you enter a restaurant, what happens first?
The host or waiter greets you, right?
Exactly. They might say, how many people? Or table for how many?
So if I'm alone, I say, table for one, please?
Perfect. Simple and clear.
And if I'm with a friend, table for two, please?
Yes, just change the number. Table for 3, 4, 5.
What if all tables are full?
They might say, please wait, or it'll be a 10-minute wait.
Oh, so I just say, okay, thank you, and wait?
Exactly. Super simple.
See, guys? It's not scary at all.
Just basic, polite phrases.
What about reservations if I booked a table?
Just say, I have a reservation under your name.
I have a reservation under Emily?
Perfect. They'll check and show you to your table.
Easy. What's next?
Okay, you're seated. Now the waiter brings the menu.
This is where I get confused. So many options.
Don't panic. Take your time.
What does the waiter usually say?
Here's the menu. Can I get you something to drink?
Oh, so they ask for drinks first.
Usually, yes. Water, juice, soda, coffee.
So I can say, "I'll have water, please?"
Perfect. Or, can I have a Coke, please?
What if I need more time to decide?
Just say, can I have a few more minutes?
Can I have a few more minutes? Easy.
Yes. They'll come back later.
What if I don't understand something on the menu?
Great question. Just ask, what is this? Or, can you explain this dish?
Excuse me, what is carbonara?
Perfect. Never be afraid to ask.
Guys, asking questions is totally okay. Waiters are there to help. Okay, I've decided what I want. How do I order?
The waiter will ask, "Are you ready to order?" or "What would you like?"
And I say, I'll have the pasta, please?
Perfect. That's the easiest way.
Can I also say, I'd like the pasta?
Yes, both are correct. I'll have or I'd like.
So, I'll have the burger or I'd like the salad.
Exactly. Simple and polite.
What if I want to order multiple things?
Just use and. I'll have the soup and the sandwich.
I'd like the steak and the fries, please.
Perfect. You're getting it.
What about sizes? Small, medium, large?
Just add it before. I'll have a large coffee or a small pizza.
Can I have a medium Coke, please?
Excellent. You sound like a natural.
This is actually easy when you break it down.
See? Not scary at all.
Jack, what if someone has allergies or special dietary needs?
Great point. This is very important to communicate.
How do I say I'm allergic to something?
Say, I'm allergic to food. Very clear and direct.
I'm allergic to peanuts.
Perfect. Or, I'm allergic to seafood.
I'm allergic to dairy.
Yes, the waiter will make sure to avoid it.
What about vegetarian or vegan?
Just say, I'm vegetarian or I'm vegan.
Do you have vegetarian options?
Excellent. Or, is this dish vegan?
What if I want something without certain ingredients?
Use without or no. Can I have the burger without onions?
I'd like the salad with no tomatoes, please.
Perfect. Clear and polite.
Can I get extra cheese for additions?
Yes, extra cheese, extra sauce, anything.
See, you can customize your order easily.
Okay, your food arrives. What happens next?
The waiter asks, is everything okay, right?
Yes, or how is everything? Or enjoying your meal?
And I just say, yes, it's great, thank you.
Perfect. Simple and polite.
But what if something is wrong, like the food is cold?
Be polite, but honest. Excuse me, this is a bit cold. Could you warm it up?
Excuse me, I ordered chicken, but this is fish.
Exactly. Polite and clear. They'll fix it.
Curious. What if I need something, like more water or napkins?
Just call the waiter. Excuse me, can I have more water, please?
Could I get some extra napkins?
Perfect. Always use please. It's polite.
What about condiments? Ketchup, salt, pepper?
Can I have some ketchup, please? Or could I get the salt?
Easy. Just ask politely.
Exactly. Waiters are happy to help.
Oh, what if I can't decide? Can I ask for recommendations?
Absolutely. Waiters love giving recommendations.
How do I ask?
Say, what do you recommend? Super simple.
What's popular here? Or what's your favorite?
Perfect. Both are great questions.
What's the specialty of this restaurant?
Excellent. Shows you're interested.
What if I want something specific, like something spicy?
Be specific. Do you have anything spicy? Or what's your spiciest dish?
I'm looking for something light and healthy.
Yes, tell them what you want. Something sweet, something filling.
Can I ask about portion sizes?
Of course. Is this dish big? Or what's the portion size?
So I don't order too much or too little.
Exactly. Smart thinking.
Don't be shy to ask questions. It helps you order better.
Now, let's talk about paying. This is the final step.
This part also makes me nervous sometimes.
It's simple. When you're ready, just say, "Can I have the check, please?"
Can I have the bill, please?
Yes, check or bill. Both are correct.
In America, they say check, right? And in UK, bill?
Exactly, but everyone understands both.
What if I want to pay separately with friends?
Say, can we have separate checks? Or can we split the bill?
We'd like to pay separately, please.
Perfect. They'll divide it for you.
What about tipping? How much?
In the US, usually 15 to 20% for good service.
So if the bill is $50, I tip $10.
Yes, about that. It's optional, but expected in some countries.
So always check the local customs.
Exactly. Some places include service.
Okay, Jack, let's do a quick role play. You be the waiter.
All right. Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Table for one?
Table for two, please.
Right this way. Here's your table and the menu. Can I start you with drinks?
I'll have water, please, and he'll have a Coke.
Perfect. I'll be right back. Take your time with the menu.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the Caesar salad and the grilled chicken, please.
Excellent choice. And for you, sir?
This is fun.
How would you like your chicken, grilled or fried?
Grilled, please. And can I have no onions?
Of course, no onions. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Great. Your order will be ready soon. Perfect example. Simple and easy.
All right, guys, let's review the key phrases.
Entering, table for number, please.
Ordering, I'll have, or I'd like.
Asking, what do you recommend? Or, can you explain this?
Special requests, no onions, or I'm allergic to.
During meal, this is delicious. Or, could I have more water?
Paying. Can I have the check, please?
These simple phrases cover everything you need.
Don't worry about being perfect, just be polite and clear.
Remember, please and thank you go a long way.
Waiters appreciate politeness. Smile and be friendly.
Now tell us, have you ever ordered food in English?
What was your experience? Easy or difficult?
Share your stories in the comments. We'd love to hear.
What's your favorite restaurant? What do you usually order?
Let's practice together in the comments section.
And if this video helped you, please hit that like button.
Subscribe to Daily English Talks. We're here to help you every day.
Your support helps us create more useful content like this.
Share this with friends who are learning English.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to speak.
Everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn.
Next time you're in a restaurant, use these phrases.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Go out there and order with confidence. Bye!
See you in the next video. Happy eating. Bye-bye.